can also play the post down low.
Viloria to Flores. What a move by Gong Flores. Umupo sa ere.
Umupo sa ere, bigyan mo ng kape. Adjusting that shot is Gong Flores.
Panoorin natin muli itong Milo Guthrie galing move of the quarter.
But look at that, very cranial Viloria, the slicing in. He thought, Gong Flores thought the Mon was gonna challenge that shot. Hence that in-air adjustment. Umupo sa ere, nagkape, bigyan mo ng popcorn, bigyan mo ng pagkain, Gong Flores. Gotta see it thrice.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel.